if else if ladder. So you people must have seen this interactive voice message, right? Of anything like a bank or some mediclaim or whatever, na? Or like or aquaguard ka insurance, aquaguard ka repair. Okay, for English, press 1. Hindi के लिए 2 दबाइए. Okay, like that. So such a similar program we are going to do now. Okay. So if else if ladder, if else if ladder, the syntax is very important. Okay, the syntax is very important. I'll explain how the syntax will look like. If the condition is true, the condition is true, then statement 1 will get executed. It can be even 10 statements also. If 10 statements, then curly bracket. That will be treated as one statement. Second onwards, it will be else if. Else if condition 2 is true, then statement 2 will get executed. Again, else if condition 3 is true, then statement 3 will get executed. So on and so, it will be like this only, else if only. But the last one, right, will be else. Else statement n, and statement n encompasses everything else. Okay, means what I'm trying to tell here, okay, what I'm trying to tell here is the first one is if, from second onwards, okay, from second onwards, if it is else if, from second onwards it is else if, else if, else if, else if, else if, else if, else if. Okay, from second onwards it is else if. First one is if, second one is else if, and the last one, okay, the last one will be else. Okay. Yeah, Kavita, you can be on mute. Yeah, Kavita, you can be on mute, please. Yeah, thank you. So, if first one, last is else, in between it is else if. If suppose there is a program in the kids, right, kids class, pre-KG or LKG, whatever, 1 Monday, 2 Tuesday, 3 Wednesday, like that. As a scanner class, using scanner class, okay, now I'll give the syntax here. If else if ladder, if else if ladder. With your permission, I've already copied it. I'll paste it. Okay, scanner class is used to read anything at runtime. So instead of, okay, SC I can give anything also. I can give obj also. Okay, I can give obj also. Obj dot next int. But it's always good to give SC or scanner. You know why? Object should look like the class. 500 lines of code is there. You have created 5 classes and 10 objects. OBJ1, OBJ7, OBJ9 in 300, 400 line you are telling. OBJ7 किसका object है? OBJ10 किसका object है? Whose object? If you tell Apple, capital Apple is the class, okay? If you tell capital Apple is the class, then AP can be Apple का object or APPLE can be Apple का object. If you are having 2 objects of Apple, then first one is Apple 1, second one is Apple 2. When object is looking like the class, in 300th line, if you tell Apple 2, oh, okay, second object of Apple class, that clarity will be coming. So that's why always when we are using drop down in Selenium, we'll use select class. Select is the object, like this will give. When we do drag and drop with the mouse, right, actions class will be there. Action or ACT, something will be using. So that is the industry standard. So from the beginning, I'll tell you, please follow that's why I'm a little slow also. Please follow the coding standards. Please follow the coding standards, because if you drive a vehicle in the right side, in India, you might be a very good navigator of the vehicle. Still, people will tell you, Bhai Sahab, aapko gaadi chalana aata hai ki nahi? So, when you might be a very good coder, but if you're not following the standard, they'll tell you, koi institute se aaya hai. From some institute, this guy has come. So you should look like as if you have done lot of coding. Okay, just like a person speaks good English, right? So there should be, okay, people will, okay, I'm just telling you, this is also language. That's why I'm telling you. Okay, so sc dot scanner, sorry, scanner dot next int. I'm going to read integer and I'll store it in a variable called day. So for day number, what is the meaning of day number? You are going to give 1, 2, 3. Okay. You are going to give 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to print. I'm going to print through the program Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So scanner.nextInt, I am reading any number in the world. Any number means any number which an integer can hold. I'll put the cursor here. Hey, this is returning an integer. Then store it in an integer variable. Day, which is of type integer. Always the method, you put the cursor like this and look at the return type. That return type you have to store. Always remember this technique. Now you are reading any value at runtime. It can be anything. It can be anything. Okay, it can be anything. Any number. Now, if the number which you have read 1, 2, 3, 4, I don't know. Single equal to is your assignment operator. You are storing it in the variable, just like scanner.nextInt, you're storing in day. That is assignment. You're assigning, you're storing. But when you're giving double equal to left side, is it equal to right side? The question is left side, is it equal to right side? The day which you have read, okay, the day which you have read here, maybe 6. So inside day it is 6. This 6, is it equal to 1? No. But by chance, if you have read 1, then what to do? I'm telling. Then you print Monday. That's it. Just Monday only. If you are reading 1, then Monday. Okay. By chance at runtime, scanint, okay, scanner.nextInt, you are reading 2. If you are reading 2, then what to type here? Anybody?
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Very good, Samvedan Kavita. Third, can anybody tell me now what I have to do? For Wednesday, what I have to do?
Three.
Equal to 3 and
3.
Wednesday.
That's it. See, we need to involve every day. See, this 1 hour is like religion, whatever you can tell. Like the way you focus, right? It has to be like that. Okay. So every second we spend here, right? There should be some outcome. There should be some outcome from every second we spend here. You open any of my recording, right? There will not be a single purpose in my class. Okay. Because I know I fall short of time. Okay, 3 to 4 months is not good enough. It should be even more. Okay, so Thursday. Okay, like that. So I'll just accelerate here a little bit. So if it is equal to 5, if it's equal to 6, if it is equal to 7, this one will be Friday. This one will be Saturday. This one will be Sunday. But if somebody is giving other than these numbers, negative numbers, big numbers they are giving, then you tell nota. Nota means none of the above. Boss, invalid number you are giving. There are only 7 days in a week. Please enter. Just like interactive voice message, right? It's an invalid number. Please enter between 1 to 7, it will tell. Like some 1 to 8, 1 to 9, whatever it will tell. Please enter values only 1 to 7 only. Now, if you run this program, what will be the question? Can anybody tell me? Can anybody help me? What will happen if I run this program? Anybody? One step at a time. It will give me a prompt. It will give me a prompt. Please enter some day number. I will give -1. So what will be the output? Anybody?
None of the above.
Invalid.
Yeah. None of the way, invalid number. Okay. Again, I will run this. Okay. Now I want you people, everybody, to give me the test data. What is test data? The data with which you test is called test data. Now this is a software application. It's white box testing. Okay, what is white box testing? When you look into the code and test, right? That is called white box testing. when you are least bothered about what is inside the code, okay? I mean, what is inside the code, what is the programming language, what is the programming logic, right? If you're not interested, if this thing has to happen, is it happening or not? If you are transferring money in ICICI bank account from one account to another account, is it happening or not? You damn care whether it is done in Java or .NET. Okay, Python, C Sharp, Ruby, whatever. Similarly, you are booking a flight from IRCTC or from Make My Trip, you don't care. Okay, as a tester, we are black box testers. Okay, we don't need to know the programming language, but we need to know coding language, programming language for automating our scripts to test on the website. Okay, so please have that clarity. Why we need to know coding? Because you will be put in a project where you need to test one website. So with your script, can you write a small script that will test 1 lakh times? If you have written that code, right, 1 lakh times also you can use it. People can use it at different point in time for different types of testing. Okay. While using different techniques also you can use, but the script will be the same. Okay. So can anybody give me the numbers? Your top 3 numbers. Everybody, please give me your 3 numbers.
0, 1, and 8.
0, 1, and 8. Very good. Boundary value analysis it's called. Next, anybody? Anybody? You can give very big number also. You can give negative number also. Okay? Like that. You can give 0, 0 has already been given. You can give 4.5. Will it take or not? 4.6. Will it take or not? Okay? Like that you can also test. Because as a tester, we need to find as many defects as possible. Okay? So with this, I will wrap it up without boring you too much. Okay? And please come prepared to the class. And every day we'll try to crack some interview questions. Food for thought. Okay, food for thought that you need to work. For example, areas of improvement I asked, right? 3 areas of improvement. Think about it, what you can tell. Okay, we will again discuss areas of improvement. Okay, you can tell a thing which you have not done. Okay, which is not related to the job description of the position. Job description means the functional manager will write a job description to the talent acquisition group. Okay, tag group it's called, the HR. The HR will send that to the consultants, Naukri, and vendors. They will get some profiles. 3 positions are there. They will take some 25, 20 profiles. Okay, resumes. Okay. If in the job description, if it is written like Selenium is required, then you cannot tell that Selenium is my weak point. You can tell APM, mobile app automation, is my weakness. Okay, which is not related, closely related somewhere, but not related to the exact current position ka job description. You have to play it very safely. Okay. So plus if you also tell, right? Okay, if you also tell like, okay, 1 second. Okay, sorry. Okay. Kavita was asking, actually, I use a lot of tools, right, for the color coding and all colors I use, right? The toolbox was overlapping the request that has come, right? Zoom. I couldn't add her last 5-10 minutes something. Okay. So, yeah. So with this, I'll wrap it up. So please come prepared. Okay. I hope you people are fine, right? Coming prepared to the class.
Yes.
So
Yes.
only 2 people.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Because have a
Yes,
healthy
yes.
have a healthy competition. Okay. If you can compete among yourselves also, okay. Good enough. Good enough. Okay. We'll connect tomorrow. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.